Have you ever looked up at the sky and noticed those long white streaks behind airplanes? What exactly are they, and why do they form? Some people call them contrails, others think there's something more mysterious. But today, we're going to break it all down and uncover the science behind these fascinating sky trails. Contrails, short for condensation trails, are formed when hot exhaust from an aircraft engine meets the cold air at high altitudes. The water vapor in the exhaust rapidly condenses and freezes into tiny ice crystals, creating those long white streaks in the sky. Not all planes leave contrails, and that's because the conditions have to be just right. The temperature and humidity of the upper atmosphere determine whether contrails will form. If the air is too warm or too dry, the water vapor simply dissipates before turning into ice. That's why sometimes you see them and other times you don't. Contrails don't all look the same, and that's because of varying atmospheric conditions. Here are the three main types. Short-lived contrails. These disappear quickly because the air is too dry for them to persist. Persistent contrails. These last for a long time and can even spread out to form cirrus clouds. Broken contrails. These appear in segments because the aircraft is flying through different pockets of air with varying humidity levels. Believe it or not, contrails can actually impact the climate. Since they are made of ice crystals, they reflect sunlight during the day and trap heat at night. Scientists have studied contrails' effects on global temperatures, and during the 3-day flight ban after 9/11, they noticed changes in the temperature range, suggesting contrails do have a small but measurable impact on weather patterns. Some people believe contrails are actually chemtrails, chemicals deliberately sprayed into the atmosphere by governments. But there's no scientific evidence to support this claim. The reality is simple. Contrails are nothing more than water vapor and ice crystals, a natural result of jet engines operating in cold, high-altitude air. So next time you see a plane painting the sky with those long white trails, you'll know exactly what's happening. Aviation is full of fascinating science, and we're here to bring you the coolest facts about it.